YouTube channel Kanak Info System. Now we are showing in version 18. Now is able to create product create from the POS. Now you can see in version 18, go to point of sale, open any session, start the session. Now we are able to create a product from the POS also. You can see here create product menu, click on the product in this menu and create test product, POS test product. This is the product name. You can also write the barcode, image also upload here, upload the image. You can also write the price, for example 1000, and then save. And you can also check it here. You can see product is created from the POS screen. Thanks.